Hi friends, it's summer and we bought this Flex Cobra portable mist stand. It's a great accessory to put it in your house hose in the garden. You can direct it however you want. See how flexible it is. And you will have a nice water mist coming out of these misting devices. So it's great for you, for your pets, for example, if you have pets. And with this weather, this is a great accessory to refresh your patio, your lawn, whatever you want to refresh outside with water mist. Let's try it. Friends, now I'm going to show you how to use this water mistifier. Okay? It's really easy. In any place that it's really hot, you will take this one. So you can connect it to your regular hose, the standard size. Okay. And you put it wherever you want it or you need it. You can put it in top of a table, in the tree. It's flexible, so you can move it around. For testing purposes, let's do it here. Okay. You want to open just a little bit the water. Okay. You see how the mist comes out of it? So it's really nice. And you can refresh your pet or a party entrance or near a table, whatever you want it. And you can move it a little bit around. It's kind of flexible. So you can put it anywhere you want, okay? Like this. So this is the mist, water mist, refreshing water mist for any hot place. Perfect. Really recommend this accessory if you need a place to cool down with some water mist. And this is really, really easy to use, as you can see, or to have it just by the floor or in a table. Okay, perfect. Thank you.